In this short tutorial, you will learn about response metadata. Many model providers include some metadata in their chat generation response, and we will see with a few examples. It is going to be a short tutorial. First, I'm going to import OS, then import getPass, and then also a chat model from Grok or just okay, let's import that first from LangChain underscore grok. Import chat grok. Now let me execute the code. I am going to create an environment variable to pass grok API key. I will make the variable name as grok underscore API underscore key, and then I'm going to call this getPass. From this function getPass to pass my API key. This will ensure that you cannot see the API key. Now I'm going to just paste it here and press enter. The environment variable is set. Now I'm going to create an instance of the LLM model. I will write here LLM, and then I will call this chat grok that I have just imported from LangChain. And inside this, there are a few parameters. The first parameter is model, and here you have to give the model name. I'm going to use, let's say, Llama 3.1 dash 8 billion parameters instant model. This is my first argument, and the second one is API key, and this is going to be grok API key that I have just defined here. And then I'm going to print this LLM to see if it is working or not. Now here in the output you can see we have this chat grok LLM here, and the model name is written here, and then we have some model keywords argument. One of them is grok API key. Now let me ask one question, and then we will see the response metadata from it. I'm going to create one variable, let's say message, to store the output here. Now I will call this LLM, and on this I'm going to call the function invoke, and I can pass any question here. I will ask what is the capital city of India, and then I'm going to print this message. Now here you see this is the question, the capital city of India that I have just asked, and from this I want to see the metadata. I'm not interested in the answer right now because my focus is to get the metadata here, and to get it I will call this message object, and on this I will call response metadata. This is a function that will give you the details about it, and let me execute the code. Now here in the output, what all metadata you are getting here is the first one is token usage, and inside this you have some information about completion tokens, the total number of tokens it has taken, and you also have this completion time, so it is 0.01 second, prompt time, queue time, total time. Then you have information about the model that you are using, then system fingerprint, finish reason, stop, and then something log props is none. So whenever you want to get the response metadata, you can just invoke, ask a question, save that response in a variable, and then on that variable you are going to call this response metadata. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.